Good day, everyone. My name is Jessica Asuncion Ines. I'm 42 years old, had two children, 19 and 12 years old. I worked before in UAE as a nanny for a newborn baby and a 2 years old. My main duties there is secure their safety, give them milk, change their diaper, take them shower, play with them, give them sleep, and sometimes I take them in the garden. After that, I worked in Saudi Arabia for 4 years for a couple and three adult. My main duties there is clean the house, cooking. I'll do ironing, and I'll take care also bird and fish. After that, I work in Hong Kong for 2 years for one couple and children, 16 and 12 years old. My main duties there are I'll do car washing, marketing, iron the clothes, wash clothes. I'll do also marketing, and sometimes I send the children in school, and also I hand wash delicate clothes. To my future employer, Madam Sir, if you choose me, I'll do my best to serve your family, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.